Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars from credit cards. And no, it's not by finding a card with the highest cash back or even trying to hack the companies with complicated churning hacks. I'm actually going to show you a method that can help you earn big even if you don't collect a single dollar from their cashback program. And if you always wanted to make money online but are nervous about selling stuff, then this is the method for you. It's completely free. So if you just want to start making money, let me show you how to do it. But first, if you're new here to this channel, it's all about helping you make money using affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of affiliate marketing, you need to learn this method as soon as possible if you want to start making money online. Most methods require you to create your own products or wholesale from China, but with affiliate marketing, your sole responsibility is to promote products that are already out there and collect a commission each time someone makes a sale, or even just signs up, as you see in today's video. You don't need to handle any shipping, no customer service, or any returns. You don't even need to promote the product on your own website. You can simply send people to someone else's website and you can still make money. If that sounds awesome, then hit the subscribe button because I release new videos and new ideas just like this every single week. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's training. Today we'll be talking about why credit cards are a great thing to promote. We'll also be going over my backdoor strategy, and then we're going to figure out how to make the most of this resource and how to build a funnel to maximize revenue. But first, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. First, we find a product. It's really something that you love that solves a problem. Then we promote the product. We collect email addresses while we're promoting the product for maximum return on an investment, and we collect commissions when they buy. You can collect anywhere between 5 and 60%, sometimes more, of the sale when you refer people to buy the product or service. And yes, it's really that simple. You get rewarded just for referring people to buy a product or a service. Think of it kind of like a finder's fee. So why are credit cards such a great product to promote? Well, here are just some reasons why you'll love to promote credit cards. Well, really, people buy more than one. And no one really has to buy anything, unlike traditional affiliate marketing. Also, you can get immediate approval with the method I'm going to show you. So now let's go over the backdoor strategy. Well, first, you just grab your refer a friend link. You put together a PDF of relevant cards, their cashback or travel rewards. You build an email list, and then you trade the PDF for email addresses, and then you follow up with your subscribers. Seems pretty simple, right? Well, actually, let's just dive a little bit deeper into these steps. I think that's a little bit fair. If you go to your favorite credit cards and you Google them, you can get to their refer a friend or their promotions by just Googling your favorite card plus refer a friend. And then you can get their referral links from your current credit cards as well. Some examples of these are Chase Freedom cards. You can actually get $100 for each person you refer for that card. American Express Blue Cash cards, you get $100 for each card you refer on that one. Discover is actually giving both you and the person who signs up $50 each. So you could basically just grab your refer a friend link from the website. When you just Google your favorite credit card plus refer a friend, follow their program and follow the steps to get the link for those. Next, we create the lead magnet. The first step is to create the lead magnet or free gift in exchange for that email address on your opt-in page. And since we're promoting credit cards, you can simply make a PDF or a blog article for the best cash back cards for the year, like 2021 or 2022, etc., and put your refer a friend links on them, so whenever they click on that link to sign up, you will get a commission. The next step is to build an opt-in page which offers a free gift in exchange for an email address. The purpose of the opt-in page is really to build an email list. But then you have a thank you page that not only gives them a list which has all of your refer a friend links on them, but then it also directs them to your favorite cards to remove the options and give them one card to apply to right then and there. This actually removes any sort of decision fatigue they might have. You don't want to give them all of those things to choose from. Now here's a pro tip. You can even direct them to another offer that helps them make money online because someone is looking for cashback cards. They probably will want a way to make even more money. Now if you're wondering how to do something like this, I use a simple software called ClickFunnels. I actually had my team build out this entire funnel and a sample PDF reviewing different language courses to give you completely free if you want to give this method a try. You don't have to build this. We actually have this for you already. We actually have a link for it right down in the description below. So if you want it, you can click on the description below and we'll just go ahead and give it to you. All right, so now let's talk about the last step, which is to follow up with your email subscribers. So we have this list. Now what? Now remember, not everyone is going to buy the first time around, so this is your chance to follow up with them and even send another affiliate offer they might like. A software like GetResponse allows you to communicate with your subscribers pretty effectively 2 to 3 times per week. This is truly how to build an affiliate ecosystem just by sharing free credit cards with people. Now, the system we use is basically how we put it all together and how we get traffic and how we set up an email list is a system called Partner with Anthony. It basically offers done-for-you funnels and an email follow-up sequence. It also contains crucial training to help you send qualified leads to your funnel and maximize any revenue that you have from each of those leads. Not to mention the quality of products that you get to promote and earn high commissions from them as well. It's a really good, nice, simplified system called Partner with Anthony. There's actually a link for that below as well, and you can click on the link below for free training on that. So check out that link below, and thank you so much for watching, and you can check the description below for more info.